Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the OneXPlayer Mini. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price for this particular version right here is $1,100. Now that's with 1 terabyte of storage. If you want 2 terabytes of storage, that's going to be $1,200. All right, so let's go through the specs real quick. Now this one comes in 2 different colors. You got black or white. For the processor, you got the Intel i7 1195G7. That's 4 cores, 8 threads, clocked in at 2.9 gigahertz with turbo boost to 5.0 gigahertz. Now you got the Iris Xe graphics card. You got 16 gigs of RAM. That's LPDDR4X. It comes with either 512, 1 terabyte, or 2 terabytes of storage. Now you got a 59 watt hour battery. That's 10,455 milliamps. That's going to give you anywhere between 1 and 5 hours worth of use depending on your game. Now for the display, you got a 7-inch IPS panel with a resolution of 1920 by 1200. That is 323 for the PPI Patrol. You got dual stereo speakers and it's running Windows 11 Home. All right, so all of that for $1,100. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Now, let me give y'all a quick backstory behind this. This is going to be a quick video. Okay, this is a special request video. Now, the last time I did my gaming stream, a lot of people in the comments was asking me to review the Steam Deck. And I told y'all that it wasn't really worth it for me to buy the Steam Deck because I already got a OneXPlayer. So people asked me, what is the OneXPlayer? Can I show it real quick? So this is it. Now, on a side note, the Steam Deck is going to be half the price of this one. And it does have 512 gigs of storage with expandable memory. But I think this one is a little bit better. And I'm going to show you why in a minute. Okay, now, I don't have the box anymore. Like I said, I've been using this one for maybe about 6 months. But let me show you how it looks. On the front, this is your 7-inch display. Okay, on the top, you got your power button. You got volume up and down. You got an LED light. 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. You got a USB Type-C and a USB-A. Now you got your right button, right trigger, left trigger. On the top, you can also see big giant vents because the fan is going to be spinning on this one like crazy. On the back, more vents. On the bottom, you got another USB Type-C slot. Now you got some buttons, so you got select and home. Okay, here's your D-pad. You got your analog sticks. Okay, you got a home button. This is your keyboard button and your back button. There's your dual speakers. Now, it does turn into a mouse if you hold down this button and the keyboard button. You can use the analog stick as a mouse. And the display is fully touchscreen. Now, one of the things that people was asking me about this one is, can you run Steam? And the answer is yes. So let's go through some of the basics real quick. Now, you can use this as a regular tablet/laptop. If you want, plug in a USB hub on the top. You can have an external keyboard and a mouse. Okay, so let's try some. Let's go to Google Home. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, late, but still great. White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes.
I love my white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, now let me take this. Now, I'm doing this from behind the camera, so I'm going to go open up Google real quick. Okay, so now here's Google. Let's go home. Let's do a little shopping. All right, so we'll go to Amazon. Like I said, you can use this as a regular tablet. There's Amazon. Okay, let's go home again. Let's go to YouTube. If I want to, I can watch some YouTube videos. So let's see, watch a little Family Guy.
She didn't even have to say that.
Just like that. All right.
You were right, Rupert. I did exactly.
Exit out of that.
I just took it one
Let's
day at a time.
let's go back. Oh, let me go back. Stu is trolling me.
This is good for him.
Okay, so like I said, you can use this as a regular tablet or laptop, basically. So we'll exit out of all of that. Now, let's do a little gaming, because that's why you're buying this. So let's go to Steam. Okay, let's play a little Street Fighter. Okay. Hit play. And we'll let this load up. All right, so I got Street Fighter 5 loaded up. Let's do a little gaming segment. Okay. Here we go. Now I'm a little bit rusty. I always say that just in case I lose. Then you know what it is. Now this is the actual loading time. Okay, let's do a little Ryu.
Beyond the battle.
Okay. Also, if I lose, it's because Shoes keeps hitting the controller out of my hand. Now, if you play Street Fighter V, this is the same exact loading time that you're going to get on your console. And the same ads. Video games with ads, bro. All right, let's get it on. Okay. Shoes, don't stop trolling me, Shoes. Okay, here we go. Oh no. Oh no. Birdie blocking today, yo? Gotta start ragdolling. Okay. I'll give y'all one round. Then we'll switch to a different game. The graphics look amazing. Okay. As you see, everything's running nice and smooth. Okay. Shoes is trolling me. Oh no, ragdoll. Okay, let's go. Okay. I know, it's taking longer than usual, y'all. Let's see. There's your bag button. The bag button works. Ragdoll button works. Okay. All right, so here's how your Street Fighter V is going to look. And this is coming directly from Stream. So now let's try another game. As you can hear for yourself, speakers sound pretty good too. Now, let's open up Xbox Game Pass and play a little Killer Instinct. Okay, so we'll hit play. Now, this is exactly why I got this for, because this is the only game that I play it on. You can hear the fan blowing. Okay. This is one of my favorite games. Okay. I'm just going to show you exactly how fast and smooth it runs on this portable unit. And I'm going to do this in real time so you can see. I connect to the Ultratech servers. Okay. A little single player action. Okay. Now, of course, I got to come through with my guy, Glacius, you know. Been using the black Glacius lately. Okay. This is basically all I do on this, on this OneXPlayer. Let's play Killer Instinct. I'll let y'all see the full intros. But of course, you can skip that if you want. Get out of here. All right, let's go. Let me stop looking at Shoes and stop playing for real. Okay, I gotta get fancy. Now, it's hard to do this from behind the camera, but we're gonna make it work. Got him. Oh, I tried to get greedy. I should have just got him out of here. All right, let's go. Oh, ragdoll? Okay. Okay. Keep jumping. Ah, got me. Uh-oh, I'm about to die. Nope. Bop, 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 bop. Okay. Okay. This is so much fun, though. This is so much fun. Okay. Yeah, see, let's over. Okay, let's give him a full ultra. Why not? Okay. Anyway, you get the idea. This is way too much fun. Now, like I said, this is going to be a quick video, so let's go ahead and wrap this up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the OneXPlayer Mini a major go. This is a fully functional Windows PC that you can play all of your Steam games and all of your Xbox Cloud games right from the palm of your hands, anywhere you go. Now, price-wise, the Steam Deck is a better value, but in my personal opinion, I like the OneXPlayer Mini a little bit better. I like the button placement better. You got way more storage and better internals. But both of them are certified beast. Now, on a side note, if y'all want to see some more quick videos like this about products that I use in my personal life that I haven't reviewed on YouTube, we could do that too. Hit me up in the comments and let me know. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. Don't beat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize. Alright, so I'm gonna give y'all one more round because I know some of y'all probably like, oh, he's trash. No, I'm just a little bit rusty. I'm a little bit rusty. But let me show you how I can do if I really get serious. Right. We're gonna go against General Rob. Serve the queen, okay. I beg to differ, buddy boy. Oh. Let's go. Okay, gonna stand there? Go out of there. You know what I'm saying? Now this is how I really play. This is how I really play. Yeah. Okay. Get out of here with that bullshit. Okay. We're gonna send them out of here. Oh, he tried to get me. He tried to get me. He tried to get me dirty. He tried to get me. I'm just letting I'm trying to give him a full instinct. Okay, here it goes. There it goes. There it goes. I want to send him out with 80 hits. Okay, 47 hits. Almost there, almost there.